Oh, Sterling, my old friend, I've come to walk your halls again, 'cause Dennis Dutton softly creeping left a view book while I was sleeping, and the vision to become the finest Christ-centered servant leadership development focused liberal arts experience in the Great Plains that was planted in my brain still remains. It's the sounds of Sterling. Head to class before the dawn, on sidewalks watered like the lawn. Some dorms air conditioned, some are not. Some like it cold and some like it hot. And at night I sit beneath the Sputnik clock lightning rod and start to nod. I dream the sounds of Sterling. What's in a name? Well, there's a lot here at Sterling's melting pot. Our chaplain's name is Christian Apropos. It's the same with Scott Rich. He handles money as the CFO. But don't be fooled.
Nix is actually quite something on the piano.
And Sonny's son will darken ping pong games with Asian fame. Ironic sounds of Sterling. You know, we've got really good chemistry, babe. That last verse, I think, was really beaching.
Move on.
You ready to go? All right, here we go. We welcome all who are so new. Students, well, faculty too. But a few still teach with graying hairs. Frozy Cruz and Clings, now there's a pair. They're as old as dirt, but still sharp as tack, so
Be brilliant.
do your best, or else you're lost in the wilderness. Lost dying in the wilderness.
I haven't seen the fall musical yet.
It's a talent show, so I'm auditioning tonight. Yeah, I'm going to audition for the musical.
No, you're not.
No?
No.
I could be David Ireland's understudy. Learning the sounds of Sterling. Every time you stop to pray, thank God for another day. A day at Sterling where your only care is the water cricket if you dare. Yet despite our faults we continue to look to Christ, our life and light. He makes the sounds of Sterling.